Hello, good morning, MMM. My name is Rianel B. Amelia. I am one of the active participants of this community from Western Samar. So I am here again to say that I'm very thankful to be a part of this family, to be a part of this community where everyone is trying hard to help one another. We try our best to help one another and share our blessings. So last February 17, I provided help in the amount of 300 pesos. And it was followed by another PH or provide help last February 20 in the amount of 5,000 pesos. Then last March 5, I got help in the amount of 6,000 pesos and there was only one participant assigned to my GH. So she was Lodelia May Mosca in the amount of 6,000 pesos. So thank you very much, MMM, to all the participants of this community and to the participant assigned to my GH in the amount of 6,000. And most especially to our founder, Mr. Sergio Mavrodi, for keeping this system alive. Thank you very much and good morning.